BAJA India, a competition that ignites passion and shapes the future of engineering. Year after year, we have been pushing boundaries and inspiring innovation. But to propel such an exemplary vision, an incredible team is required to bestow upon the foundational thrust. The BAJA India Alumni Committee. This team of dedicated individuals who once were BAJA participants themselves is now the backbone of event. Bridging the gap between the organizing committee and the participants, the alumni offer invaluable guidance and support round the clock through the year. Defining guidelines, proposing invaluable upgrades, and enforcing new ideas make this committee the ultimate catalyst to bring the actual change. From ensuring fairest evaluation to enabling seamless data management. From creating and delivering top-notch content to imparting exclusive experience of diving into the virtual world of mobility. You name it, and the committee stands as the cornerstone to drive the competition. Through this committee, you get to work with like-minded people driven by passion for engineering and be able to contribute to molding the next generation of engineers. By engaging with experts from across the world, you will get the exposure which will help you broaden your horizons. And yes, this is the place where your voice will hold the impact to make an actual difference. In short, this dynamic committee works to transform the vision of an epic journey into reality. And if you are passionate enough and still want to explore what BAJA has to offer on the other side of the checkered flag, then this is the chance for you to join us. Together, let's keep the BAJA flame burning brighter than ever.